BJs, welcome back and thank you for watching. I would not be showing you Anna's full hair wash today because the setup ain't popping, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be using in her hair. I'm going to first start with the shampoo, the Miracle Moist shampoo from Aussie, then the Total Miracle 3-in-1 conditioner from Aussie, and I'm going to use this directly in her roots. This is a do-grow concoction that her grandmother made. It's very heavy and thick, so I don't put this on her hair shaft because it just calls the dust. So I put this directly in her roots where it's supposed to go, and I might seal the ends with this. I use this on her hair shaft. It's the Super Silk hair silk from Cantu. Very lightweight, smells really good, and I love that it has a built-in hair protectant. I do blow dry Annalia's hair in the wintertime, hence the video to try out our new blow dryer. And then the styling cluster for kids is just where it's at. I love this. The first time I used it, I thought it was too light, but continual use, I see it does what it needs to do, keep the style in place without being too heavy, with a really nice smell. So I will be back when it's time to blow dry using our new Revlon blow dryer. I know you guys have seen this blow dryer around a lot, so before I start with the blow drying process, I just wanted to show you guys, because I just want to jump right in. This is how it looks up close. You can really see inside of there. This is super lightweight, guys. And then there you get with the swivel cord. They said not to bend this area too much, so I have to figure out how I'm going to store it properly. And then right, if I can find it with one hand, there you go. There is just an off, cool, low and high. Fun fact, when I purchased this the first time, the cool was not working, and the cool setting is a very important to just lock in your styles. All right, and that's all there is to this. I plan on using the low and cool on Anna's hair. Very lightweight. This was, I got this from Amazon, and this was about, how much? I don't want to give the wrong price. It was about $32 if I'm not mistaken. So that's it, and we will be back. Alright guys, so I hope you was able to see what I was doing in the video. This is my final thoughts on the blow dryer. I love how lightweight this blow dryer is. It's very powerful for the size. It combs through the hair very nicely. The cooling section, the cooling option worked very well. The only thing I do not like about this blow dryer is how close the options are. They're very close when you have to switch to the different options. Very, very, very close, as you can see. That's the only thing I did not like about it. But otherwise, this gets an A plus from me. Let me know, guys, if you all use this blow dryer, if you wanted to try it, or anything like that. All right, I hope you all enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Later, Jays.